Where did we come from? And where are we headed? How did the universe begin? And does it have an end? Stars and black holes, dimensions and time, AI and the future of human evolution. A journey to awaken your curiosity begins now here on Future Explorations. Subscribe for free because knowledge is limitless. This is the 7th episode of the series. The universe is stranger than you think. Have you ever wished you could turn back time? Maybe that one moment you wish you hadn't said those words. Or if only you'd waited just a little longer. What if we could go back and undo the past? Is it even possible? What does physics say? Why time only flows forward? Time seems to move in one direction, like a river. In physics, this is explained by the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy disorder in the universe always increases. You can break an egg, but have you ever seen a broken egg reassemble itself? That's entropy at work. In the late 19th century, physicist Ludwig Boltzmann explained this with probability. The more ways particles can be arranged, the higher the entropy. So the universe naturally moves from order to disorder, because disorder is simply more likely. This is what we perceive as the arrow of time. So, can entropy decrease? In theory, yes. Boltzmann's equation allows for entropy to decrease. It's just unbelievably unlikely, like a shattered cup magically reassembling itself. Not impossible, but so rare we never see it. In fact, if a low-entropy state randomly appeared, some physicists suggest this entire universe might just be a statistical illusion. Even we could be a Boltzmann brain, a conscious blip in a chaotic cosmos. Just imagining this entire reality. Einstein changes the game. Then came Einstein. In 1905, his theory of relativity shattered the idea of time as absolute. Time can bend. Time can slow down. Time and space form one fabric, space-time. Near a black hole, gravity warps space-time, and time slows down. According to relativity, time travel to the future is theoretically possible, proving time travel a little bit. In 1971, the Haffel-Keating experiment tested this with atomic clocks. They placed precise cesium clocks on planes flying around the Earth, both eastward and westward. When compared to identical clocks on the ground, the ones on the planes showed tiny, but real differences in time. Clocks flying east tick slower, and clocks flying west tick faster, just as Einstein predicted. This was the first experimental proof that time really can pass differently, depending on gravity and speed. So yes, future time travel isn't just fantasy. It's real physics. What about the past? Going back in time? That's a trickier question. Physicist Kip Thorne proposed using wormholes, shortcuts through space-time, to link different points in time. But they're incredibly unstable. To keep them open, you'd need exotic matter with negative energy, which we haven't discovered or created yet. Time, memory, and paradox. But maybe the real problem isn't physics. It's identity, your memory, your choices, your very sense of self. They all flow with time. If you change the past, you might create a new timeline where you no longer exist. Just like in Back to the Future. Change your parents' past, and poof, you disappear. That's the grandfather paradox. Quantum weirdness and time. Quantum mechanics gives us even stranger ideas. In the double-slit experiment, a particle behaves like a wave until you observe it. Observation changes the outcome. Some interpretations even suggest that future measurements could influence the past. It's controversial, but it opens the door to a nonlinear, non-classical concept of time. MIT physicist Seth Lloyd once said, "Quantum information theory may reveal the true nature of time." So what is time? Is time just a probability? An illusion created by our minds? Or is it something more? We don't fully know. Right now, time reversal remains a dream. Possible in theory, but impossible in practice. But scientists haven't stopped trying. Even if we can't go backward, we're already traveling forward, into the future. live like a time traveler. Maybe the true time travel is living the present with meaning, so that one day, this moment becomes a past worth returning to. And who knows, the choice you make today might be the moment that shapes the future. If you enjoyed today's journey through time, subscribe and like. It's your ticket to explore more mysteries of the universe. Next time, we'll ask, does the universe have an edge? The science and mystery of cosmic boundaries.